Today's July 5th, the 8th day of my 90-day fitness challenge with T-Focus or T25 Focus. And today's the first day of the second week of this workout, and I've done 23 minutes of cardio, and I will do the rest. It's about five and a half minutes. And also today is, as I said, July 5th. It's a day of importance, or it's a day of memorial for the Uyghurs around the world. It's a day to remember and mourn those who lost their lives in Urumqi in 2009, July 5th, and aftermath of that day. And I will now keep doing my exercise. Hadi 25 minutes. I would say 25 minutes workout is finished, and now I have 2.5 minutes of cool down.
Here, that's right. 4 and 3. You're gonna have that balance. Here's 2. Great job. Now give me one more on this side, and then we're gonna hold it on this other side. Ready? Hold it. Take it down really good. A good stretch. Chest stays nice and high. Back stays flat. Ready? We're gonna take it to the other side. There you go. Keep pushing it through. And 4, 3, 2. Come down. Open up the feet. Hands to the knees. We're gonna round release, stretching out that lower back. Round and release. And when I say round, it's really trying to pull the hips under, tuck the belly button under there. You got it. One more good one. And then we're gonna drop to the floor, chest down, palms down. Now straighten out the legs and roll it nice and slow. And 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, good job. Way to do your active stretch. Way to cool down and keep it strong. T25.
See you tomorrow. Hadi görüşelim. Hayır hoş.